another episode of Girl with Goals, and everybody is locked up at their places. That's why I am Swapnil. His Instagram page is Hunger Nation. Hi, Swapnil.
Hi.
Yeah, so we had this idea of sitting down and making a list for you guys, and this video is called the top 50 places in Pune. So, how excited are you for this video, Swapnil?
I think we don't have anything to do right now in quarantine, so whatever we are getting, that's a good thing. So yes, I am pretty excited for this. So hi guys, this is Swapnil from Hunger Nation, and let's start this. What we have first? We have, I think, breakfast.
Yeah, so
you can start.
here we have like till before we start the list, please subscribe to the channel because we are coming up with many videos like this where you will get a lot of value addition during the quarantine period as well. For all the foodies out there, if you love food, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, Swapnil, let's start with the list. First, we are going to start with breakfast places because every Puneri is a fan of breakfast. And I think you will agree on this, Swapnil, because you have traveled so much for misers. So it is like he like almost travels 20-30 kilometers just to get a perfect misal, which we'll be including in the list as well. So in this list, we are going to tell you the name of the place, the location, and what you can have there. Like one amazing dish you can definitely try there. So first of all, I'm going to start my list with Irani Cafe. It is like I can't remember how many times I've been there, and Irani cafes have many what you can say outlets in Pune, and if you go there, you definitely should have the chicken keema with toast butter.
Chicken keema.
It is like so good. Then the second
and actually,
place,
what you can do, if you are a spice person, you can ask them to make it a little bit more spicy. Because that works for me.
Yeah, it is amazing. Then the second place is something which is like very close to my heart, which is called Anna Idli. And why I love Anna Idli is because they're not doing the conventional South Indian food. The must dish which you have there is ragi dosa. It's totally healthy, and that one dosa will fill you up like anything. It is just really good. Then again, the third place is a South Indian place called Supriya. So Swapnil, I have been to Supriya since my childhood. Like Supriya is like all our family birthdays and everything used to happen in Supriya.
First meetup was at Supriya only.
Yeah.
When we started blogging.
Yeah, we met all the bloggers there.
At the Supriya.
Yeah, so Supriya is in camp area. It's like an old camp area, and the one dish which वैसे तो उधर का सभी कुछ अच्छा है, but the one dish which you should have is cheese Mysore masala dosa, and it has like cheese till the tip of the dosa, and it's super crispy, and one dosa and you're good to go for the whole day. So you should definitely try that. And so the fourth place is something, Swapnil, I thought that it can be a breakfast date place because it's a little fancy and it has an amazing ambience. The place is called Flowerworks. So Flowerworks also has like different outlets in Pune. There's one in Baner, one in Kalyani Nagar. And the one dish which you should try there if you haven't tried it yet is Eggs Benedict. Because their sauces along with it is just amazing. And many of the people, when I talk about this dish, they are like, we haven't tried it. So it is a very fancy place for a breakfast date. So you should definitely try that. And then the fifth place is what Swapnil introduced me to this place called Bipin Snacks. It's in Kothurud, and it is one of the oldest street food places in Kothurud. And the one dish which I love there is Kakadi Khichdi. And Kakadi Khichdi is so good, and it is something like कितना भी तुम लोग घर पे बनाने का ट्राई करो वो वैसी होती ही नहीं है. So it's
And
like
I think it's influenced
amazing.
by the Brahmins because
Yeah,
the
yeah.
kakadi, the Koshimbir you get, it's on the sweeter side.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And it is something that तुम्हें street पे खड़े रह के वो खानी पड़ती है. It has a different feel together. So it's really good. And these are the 5 places for breakfast which I would recommend. And we can go ahead with your 5 places, Swapnil.
Okay, so as I am a misal fan, so I had to start with misal, as you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Neware misal will be my first choice for breakfast. It's
Everybody
one of
knew
the
it.
oldest.
Before opening
it's,
this video, everybody knew it.
it's one of
Yeah.
the oldest. It has been there for around 60 plus years. Why it's best for me because it's a spicy misal.
Yeah.
And it's one of the spiciest misal in Pune. It's very famous because of the masala they give. It's one of a kind, you can say unique, and it's not just spicy like the spicy thing you will get outside. It's like it has a sweet aftertaste, so it's
Okay.
I think it's a bearable for you guys.
Yeah, I
So you
guess
can have it.
you have to like always. I am always scared to go to Nevare, but Swapnil loves that place, and like you will see him every Sunday there. So it's like must visit.
The misal cravings you get at
Yeah.
the morning can be satisfied with Newar misal only. The second place
Yeah.
I have is Yorkshire.
Okay.
I can say it's one of the egg heaven in my area. I am going there since like last 3 to 4 years.
Okay.
Actually, I have tried all the items, but the item I will suggest, which is meze Lebanese, which is influenced by the Lebanese cuisine. It's
Okay.
like a omelette stuffed with marinated minced chicken and
Gotcha.
cheese, and it's given with hummus and
Oh,
with
wow.
bread. So it's basically healthy also, and you get all the proteins.
Yeah,
So
and
that
I
will be
guess
my second.
that will be done for the day. It is like so heavy because
Yeah.
of eggs and hummus. It's loaded with proteins.
So
That's
third place, I think you are familiar with this place. That will be a Durga Cafe. Not for the
Yeah.
coffee, but for all the school-going student or college-going student. There is one more dish which is much cheaper and does the work. That's double
Okay.
cheese burji, tadka
Oh my
maar.
god.
Tadka maar is
Oh
like
my.
another spicier version of double burji.
Right.
Whenever when I was in college, like in MIT, so we used to go there daily for the breakfast. And as you know, we have to think from the pocket side also
Right.
for the
right.
college student. So double cheese burji was the best option for us. So then
sounds
third
great.
option. Yeah, definitely. The third place for me is Malgudi station. You know that better.
That
So
place
for
is like I don't
Malgudi
mind
is-
traveling for it.
I think we are recently introduced to that place, like last year only. But since that place is on first number for South
Right.
Indian food. So at
Yeah.
Malgudi station, I'll suggest go for Mangalore one, which is a soft fried puri on the sweeter side, which was given with the traditional coconut chutney, the spicy version, which goes
Yeah.
best. I think we tried that thing first at the Malgudi station only. We
Yeah,
never had
and-
it before
And I don't think so. I have had anything so good
like that.
and their consistency is the same. We have been there almost like more than 5 to 6 times, and it's the same.
You can also have thatte idli, which is a huge idli and a
Yeah.
softer version of a normal idli which we get at home. So that's also one of the best thing you can have it. So
Right.
the next choice for me was the Indore food. It's like a
Yeah.
go-to place for a poha. I think
I have to try
what
that place. You have told
Yeah.
me, but I haven't tried it yet.
they serve the normal poha only, but the masala, Indori masala, which is
Oh my
something
God.
different and unique, which you don't get anywhere else in Pune.
I guess they have a lot of chuda and everything on
Yes,
the
yes.
poha. Yeah.
And the masala is like a chatpata version.
Huh,
So
right.
that's something unique you get. So next place for me is a Rojo omelette. It's
Okay.
one of the delicacies from Gujarat. You must have known
Okay.
this. So
Yeah, yeah,
Raju
yeah.
omelette, you get a butter green cheese omelette, which is something different, and I think you won't get anywhere else in Pune. So what they do is in butter green cheese omelette, they put a mint chutney
Okay.
to give a different taste in the omelette.
Okay.
And actually, they make omelette in butter also only. So
That sounds so
that's
delicious.
a heavy omelette, but the
Right,
mint
yeah.
chutney is definitely you can go for. So I think I'm done with my 5 places.
Okay, they
For
sound
the breakfast.
amazing, and like definitely the ones which you have not tried from my list or I have not tried from your list, we should definitely check all these places when
Yeah,
the
this
lockdown
list is going to
lifted.
help us post lockdown.
Yeah, it is like so good. Now the next category is our favorite category because first of all इसमें पैसे कम लगते हैं. Second of all, इसका taste level is something different which you cannot replicate at home. And the third thing is that Pune is famous for it. So this category is called the street food category. And in this introduction, I just want to tell that we have gone wild with our choices in this. We have included everything we feel that street food में ये तो तुम्हें पुणे में try करना ही चाहिए. So as Swapnil might have
I
already
think
predicted. हाँ.
this is the only category which is never ending, because
Yeah,
every
yes.
single area has like 5 to
Yeah.
6 places of their own street food version.
Yeah. And I think हम एक अलग सा वीडियो बस टॉप 50 स्ट्रीट फूड पे भी बना सकते
हाँ, we can do that. Yeah.
हैं. Yeah. So the first place I think Swapnil might have already predicted that it is Anna Maggie Point because I'm there every week, and it is in Koregaon Park, lane number C. So it's lane C में है और it has like there are multiple carts, but you have to go to the cart which is opposite Tavarian Cafe because that's the original one. And there, please have the chicken cheese Maggie. And if you're a vegetarian, have the cheese Maggie. And it is something that is so good. We used to go here in our college days, and it is just amazing. So it's a small hand cut. You should try it. Then the second place
And
is
actually I have not been
Yeah.
to Anna's Maggi Point yet. तुझे
You
याद
should
है
like-
हम गए थे यहाँ पे,
हाँ.
but the cart was not there.
yeah,
So,
I remember.
That was, we are not lucky enough. But yeah, definitely I will try post lockdown.
Yeah, you should definitely because Anna Maggie Point पे कैसा है कि even if you don't like Maggie, there are other many options which people will love, and everything is under 100 rupees. And
Yeah.
these Maggies and everything is so like 60-70 rupees. Then the second place, not many people know about it. मतलब जो KP कल्याणी नगर या फिर outskirts of Pune के है, but the people who stay in Pate area know this place. It's called Sonal Snacks, and
Yeah.
it is near Sadashiv Pate, I guess. And उधर का bread patties is amazing. So you won't believe that this place starts at 7 p.m. in the evening, and people are lining up there from 6:30, and they are just
It's like
waiting.
packed before 6:45 only.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I have
and
been there only once, and I know people
yeah,
come
and
from
their
a
chutney
long way.
is so good. The chutney is so good. You can't replace that chutney with anything. And
The
bread
crisp
patties-
coating and the
Yeah.
soft feeling with the chutney is like
It's so good.
another level combo.
And they give it to you along with onion, and it is taken to the next level. So if you go here, please be there before a time so that you get hot bread patties with their chutney. Then the third place is again a street food place called Tirupati Snacks, which is on Rasta Pet. And what you get there is a very innovative dish called idli patties. So in this you have two idlis. You have batate ki stuffing between those two idlis, and then it's coated with besan and deep fried. So
Yeah.
while you hear it, it's like next level. And in that one idli patties, you are done. and
It's
that
tempting me
handcart
right
is
now because it's something
And-
unique.
yeah, and when I tried it for the first time, I didn't know it like वैसी कोई जगह है वहाँ पे. One of my friends who stays there told me कि ये 20 साल से चल रहा है, 19-20 years से वो hand cart है यहाँ पे. And if you go there, he serves it with 2 types of chutneys and sambar. It is too good to miss, and you should definitely try that. It's in Rastapet. Then the fourth place is for all vegetarians out there. On Taboo Street, there is a whole area. It's like they started with one hand cart and now they have the whole area to themselves. It's called Shri Krishna.
Okay.
So right from sandwiches to pastas to everything, they have it there. So I think their pasta is something I would recommend, that वो तो तुमको definitely खाना चाहिए. And there are other things also you can try. It's all on one street, on Taboo Street, which is in Camp. And also the fifth place is like a small, what you can say, a small handcart जैसा है. It's again in Camp. It doesn't have any specific name. There is one uncle who makes amazing matki bher, and he stands opposite Ramakrishna, which is on the SGS road. So I literally have had that bhel when it was 5 rupees, and now it is charged at 50 rupees, and still people have it with the same enthusiasm, and he makes it so super spicy. So if you tell him, please tell him to make it medium spicy, because if you tell him spicy, I bet you can't have it more than 5 bites. He makes it
So
super
I think
spicy.
I should check out.
Yeah, you
because
should
of the
definitely
spicy.
check that place. And best part क्या है कि कैंप में सब लोग शॉपिंग को आते हैं. So he just gives you that bhel in a cone, and you can shop while you're eating. So that is like an added benefit when you're trying this place.
I wanted
Yeah.
to start my street food with the momos definitely. So Samruddha introduced me to this momos, I think, and I have been trying momos since last like 1 decade. But introducing why I took this place in this place, because the coating, which is the most important factor. यहाँ पे कोटिंग कैसे कि बहुत थिन होती है, और थिन होने के कारण कि फीलिंग का जो अंदर का पूरा जो टेस्ट होता है, फ्लेवर आता है, वो पता चलता है. नहीं तो मोस्टली प्लेसेस में कैसा होता है कि कोटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा थिक हो जाती है, और यहाँ पे कैसे कि यू गेट लाइक 8 to 9 pieces in just 60 rupees. And with that, if you are taking non-veg momos, you get a soup.
And
It's
so
like
yummy.
a stock soup, you can say. So ये बीटी कौड़े रोड पे है. हाँ, Tibetan momos है.
Yeah,
The
definitely.
second place will be shawarma. Suka has stood all the part. Why it's unique? Because it's one of the places which serves authentic shawarma. Because यहाँ पे कैसे कि पुणे में lots of places give Indianized shawarma, which has mayonnaise. तो वो इंडियन वर्जन. यहाँ पे सूप का वर्जन कैसे कि वो ताहिनी सॉस यूज़ करता है, हमस यूज़ करता है, एंड प्राइस कंपैरेटिवली वर्थ है. इतना भी नहीं है कि ज़्यादा भी नहीं है और कम भी नहीं है, लेकिन वर्थ है जाने के लिए. सो मैं सूप मैंने ऐड किया था. द थर्ड चॉइस विल बी गार्डन वड़ा पाव. वड़ा पाव ऐड नहीं किया तो मतलब स्ट्रीट फूड का मतलब कुछ ये ही नहीं, यूज़ ही नहीं. गार्डन वड़ा पाव इज यू कैन से वन ऑफ द आइकॉनिक प्लेसेस ऑफ पुणे भी बोल सकते हैं. इट्स बीन देयर लाइक फ्रॉम पास्ट 50+ years. वहाँ पे लाइन लगती है हमेशा वड़ा पाव खाने के लिए. और ये अच्छा क्यों है? क्योंकि इट्स अ ह्यूज वड़ा पाव कंपेयर टू अदर्स. और वहाँ पे कैसे कि वो क्रिस्पी ये भी देते हैं लेफ्ट, और जो ये होता है बैटर का, तो वो एक अच्छा होता है. और उसकी चटनी भी एक अच्छी है. तो वो एंड द थर्ड the fourth place will be the Gupta Ben. Not for the bhel. I have added this place because of the samosas you get there. Again the samosa for उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लाइन लगती है. Like you said for Sonal patties, it's one of that place. और लोग मोस्टली कैसे कि ब्रेकफास्ट में खाते हैं या शाम को, तो वहाँ पे 4 बजे से ही बहुत लाइन लगती है। तो यू कैन सी द समोसाज वाइल मेकिंग, यहाँ पे वो सामने ही बनाता है सब और सामने ही देता है। तो इट्स इन आई थिंक सो यहाँ पे यशवंतराव चौहान नाट्यगृह जो है पुणे में करोड़ पे, वहाँ पे आगे बहुत मतलब छोटी प्लेस है। यू विल मोस्टली मिस दिस वाइल गोइंग टुवर्ड्स दैट रोड, बट yeah, definitely try it. The last place for me will be Jogi's Chole Bhature. I think I had to add this. Yeah, I have recently been there. पहले ये था राजू अंकल के छोले भटूरे थे, बट मैंने वो निकाल दिए बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन। जोगी के मैंने ट्राई किए और आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज बिकॉज द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ 70 to 80 यू आर गेटिंग दिस क्वालिटी ऑफ छोले भटूरे इज रियली, या मोस्टली कैसे होता है क्या कि छोले और भटूरे जो मिलते हैं वो ऑयली होते हैं और होते ही ऑयली, मतलब वो बनाते हैं क्योंकि डीप फ्राई करके, तो ऑयल निकालना इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल। बट यहाँ पे जो भटूरे मिलते हैं उसका ऑयल लेवल बहुत कम है और छोले की क्वालिटी भी अच्छा है, बहुत कम होता है, मतलब इट्स लाइक ना के बराबर हो। और द छोले यू गेट हियर इज लाइक गुड क्वालिटी, टेस्ट भी है, फ्लेवर भी है और बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। इसलिए वो जो कॉम्बिनेशन है और फॉर दैट पर्सन इट्स बेस्ट, यू शुड ट्राई इट।
ओके, आई शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस प्लेस बिकॉज आई गेस पुणे में पंजाबी स्ट्रीट फूड काफी कम है, एंड इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट इट इज लेस ऑयली एंड ऑल, तो स्ट्रीट फूड में तो ऑयल चल जाता है, वही प्रॉब्लम होता है अबाउट द कैलोरी कंटेंट, बट आई गेस दिस इज अ गुड step which they have taken.
Street food places.
Yeah. So, yeah, definitely. So these are our top 10 street food places, and you should definitely keep a checklist for this. I also have a lot of places to try in this dish from Swapnil's list. Now we are going to the third category, which is iconic places in Pune. And these are the places जो सदियों से चलते आ रहे हैं, and there is no end to the amazing food they are serving. And I guess this is my favorite category in this whole video because एक nostalgia होता है ना हर place के
we have all those memories intact with those places. Our parents used to take
place when you were in college. That adds like a different feel. Yeah, and I have right, and I've read it somewhere that apparently food memories are more stronger than the normal memories which we have. So that is something definitely which is worth that. So the first place in this list for me is going to be Vahuman. Vahuman Cafe is like a second home for me. I take all my meetings there. I meet a lot of my followers there, and Vahuman Cafe has to be one of the iconic places in Pune, and it's like just besides the Pune railway station. So if you come to Pune,
there's a funny story behind this. How my friend introduced me to this place.
Like
he told me that वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ये मिलता है चीज और बटर, तो तू ऐसे ही हिसाब से जा, तो this is how I was introduced to this place.
Right. And you know that, right? Like when you enter Vahuman, you have this one patila which has the whole maska से जो पूरा भरा होता है, and that's like a grand welcome for everybody who comes there. And Vahuman Cafe में if you go, you definitely try the cheese omelette, and there are two varieties to it. It has single cheese omelette and double cheese omelette. If you want to, like, you have a good appetite, go for the double cheese.
उसमें चीज है और
the double cheese
बड़े
omelette.
क्यूब्स,
it is like huge and made up of 2 eggs, and वो तो काफी heavy होता है, and वहाँ हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा, and you might be knowing the cheese omelette कितना normal sound कर रहा है, but आप वहुमन का खा के देखो, it's like another level. And वहाँ की ईरानी चाय, I don't recommend chai anywhere.
Drug for us.
Yeah, I don't recommend chai normally.
चाय के बिना कुछ होता ही नहीं.
But you know, वहुमन में हम लोग बैठे बात करने तो 2-3 का पैसे ही हो जाता है. Yeah, definitely. And
the more comfort.
Irani touch is different. They make it a little malai मार के, and the sweetness is subtle, and I think I like chai like that. Right. Yeah, and that is something Bahuman you should. I can like make a separate video on Bahuman. इतने सारी चीजें
Yeah.
बोलने के लिए है उस पर. And the second place is everyone again might be knowing this place. It's called Good Luck Cafe. It's again Irani Parsi style dishes which you get there. But I won't recommend this place for breakfast. It has degraded over time. But the thing which I would recommend you to eat there is chicken handi with rumali roti. And every time, like we used to go there between college, like when we had lunch break and all.
And it's worth
They
actually.
have a line
The wait
since
is
1
worth.
p.m. You have to write your name, wait
And
for
I think
30
you
to
don't
45
get
minutes,
rumali roti anywhere
and
else
then you
in
get it.
Pune.
And it's like it has a it's worth. Yeah. And
You get in
right,
all
right.
5-star places,
No,
but
I don't
not
know.
like
I haven't,
typical
like,
normal restaurants
Like Milli Tobi, it's not that famous that वहाँ की try करो type.
in front
This
of you.
is-
Yeah.
Right. And the best part is they make the rumali roti in front of you, so it's like it's really good. And the best thing about Good Luck Cafe is that it has that old Pune vibe intact. It has like it is a very crowded place, and उन्होंने अभी भी वो wooden tables old वाले रखे हैं, and it's amazing. So you should definitely try that for like and Good Luck Cafe is on FC Road, and you should definitely try that. Then third thing is Shri Krishna Misal. Now the story behind Shri Krishna Misal is how I explored it is because we wanted to try this place from a very long time, and one of my school friends he told me that he goes there since childhood. And we went there, and there was like at 7 a.m. in the morning, people were waiting for the misal कि उनका number कब आएगा. And misal पाव तो उधर का best है ही. It's like when you come to Pune and you don't have like
It's
you don't
like
go to a friend's
homely
place to
feel.
have
घर पे
misal
जैसे
pav
खाना खाते हैं
because
वैसे
of some
मिलता है.
reasons.
वो फीलिंग
Go to
कहाँ पे
Sri
भी नहीं
Krishna,
आती.
it's
ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने
definitely
इतने
like
मिसळ
how
प्लेसेस
misal
ट्राई किए
is
लेकिन
made in
जो
every
घर वाली जो
Puneri.
फीलिंग आती है
Yeah.
वो वहाँ पे ही आती है. You will never get anywhere
It
else.
has
हाँ.
And असं वाटत नाही आपण बाहेर खातोय. It doesn't have that oiliness or तीखापन. It's literally like my mom has made it.
शीरा.
And
Oh.
also along with misal pav, if you want to see the Brahman way of eating in Pune, have the shira here. ते लिटरली तुपाने भरलेलं असतं, लाईक रवा कमी आणि तूप जास्त असं असतं. सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई द शीरा ऑल्सो देर. एंड लिटरली इतना सारा घी रहता है उसमें कि यू विल फील वेरी ओवरवेल्म विद द होल डिश. देन द फोर्थ प्लेस विच इज लाइक माई फेवरेट सिंस चाइल्डहुड, एंड इसमें पुणे के ऐसा एक प्रोडक्ट है विच इज पुणे इज नोन फॉर, विच इज श्लूसबेरी बिस्किट्स. And this place is Kayani Bakery. And Kayani Bakery का किस्सा ऐसे इतने सारे हैं कि क्रिसमस के टाइम पे they make very limited cakes and it is gone within half an hour. So that plum cake is also really famous. Shrewsbury biscuit is also very famous. And इसमें भी बहुत struggle है, तुमको बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम रुकना पड़ता है Kayani Bakery में. And उनके limited ही opening hours रहते हैं. So you should like जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा, but it is the freshest of cakes and freshest of cookies
Actually,
you
I
will
have never
ever
had
have
it
in your life.
because whenever I
And
went to
what was your
Kayani
experience
Bakery,
with Shrewsbury
I
biscuits?
have been
like the first
purchasing
time
that
which you had?
cake, the brown one.
Oh my
But
god!
I have never had the cookies yet. Yeah, plum cake. So मैंने अभी तक तो नहीं आता.
Okay, हाँ. Right, the plum cake. हाँ. See, Shrewsbury biscuit है ना, तुम कितने भी कुकीज खा लो, लाइक कितने
So
भी
you have to
बिस्किट्स
eat
ट्राई
it
कर
fresh.
लो तुम्हारे लाइफ में.
Fresh ही खाना.
Shrewsbury biscuit is like you take a bite and it dissolves in your mouth. It has so much butter in it. Yeah, it's so much butter. And उसका टेस्ट ही अलग होता है. Like no one can replicate Shrewsbury biscuit का टेस्ट. So I am going to gift you a packet of Shrewsbury definitely.
पुणे में रह के
after
क्या
this
यूज
lockdown.
फिर वही
Because
ने ट्राई है
ऐसे इनवैलिड होता है यार कि श्रूसबेरी बिस्किट नहीं ट्राई किए. You should definitely try. Then yeah, exactly. You should try. Yeah. And the fifth place is like when you are broke and you have nowhere to go and this one dish you have and you are done. जो डिश वहाँ फेमस है वही उसका नाम भी है विच इज कॉल्ड बर्गर. तो पहले उनका नाम बर्गर किंग हुआ करता था बट बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रेडमार्क इश्यूज
I don't know how they make it, but it's one of the cheapest and one of the heaviest burger. Because if you will have only one burger, you are done for that.
बर्गर किंग.
हाँ, और ऐसे भी नहीं कि
Right.
मतलब देने के लिए कुछ तो दिया है 40 और 60 रुपीज में.
And
उसमें
we are not
फ्लेवर्स है
exaggerating. You literally be done for the day.
जो सब चीजें मिलती है.
Right. And उधर कैसा है कि वो जो मिनी चिकन बर्गर है उसमें तुम्हारा काम खत्म हो जाता है बट दे आल्सो गिव अ जंबो वर्जन ऑफ इट.
और जंबो का केस है कि यू हैव टू टेक हाफ.
जंबो इज तो लाइक लिटरली
वो
मेड
तो
अप
लिखा है.
ऑफ लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 3 burgers in one burger. And if you have like
खा के देखा.
सीरियसली एंड हम लोग चैलेंज करते हैं हमारे सारे फ्रेंड्स को कि तू ये बर्गर बिना तेरी प्लेट खराब किए खा के दिखा बिकॉज दिस सो मच मेयो सो मच केचप एंड वो एक आइकॉनिक टेस्ट है वो पैटी को दैट यू विल फाइंड इट नोवेयर. सो एंड दीज बर्गर्स हम लोग खा रहे हैं जब से वो 40 रुपीज को हुआ करता था वही हमें ऐसा लगता था कि it's so cheap and now it has gone to 50 but I guess even if they'll give it in 100 rupees Puneri people are going to go to that place because it's worth it. It's more like अभी जो प्राइस है उसकी काफी कम है and उसका जो टेस्ट है it deserves more money ऐसा है and it's really good. These are the 5 places which I think if you come to Pune you should definitely have them. And yeah, and I guess we'll move ahead with Swapnil's list.
Okay, so the third place for me will be Pastry Corner. Why I added this place? Because it's in Kothur, and being a Kothurkar, I am going there since my childhood, like from 2006 or 5. Because my school was also there. तो वहाँ पे कैसे है कि we used to celebrate our birthdays. It was like a Marriott, a 5-star place for us. Because वो they are famous for their submarine, paneer submarine, which is a roll, normal roll, but it's in a submarine shape. So that's why the name submarine. तो उसके लिए that was for like 15 rupees back then. So 15 rupees was not much, but उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा था. तो we used to save money for the whole week और Saturday पे जाते. तो उसके लिए उसके मतलब वो उसके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा मेमोरीज जुड़ी है. For that और रम बॉल भी मिलता है वहाँ पे. It's like a
I know you were like कि
Small.
तूने ये
तो
place
you can-
करने के it's like क्या यूज है तेरा फूड ब्लॉगर.
ट्राई करनी चाहिए. और सबमरीन में कैसा है कि एज आई सेड इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल रोल विच इज स्टफ विद पनीर स्टफिंग पनीर जो लाइक नॉर्मल मंचूरियन होता है और उसमें मेयोनीज होता है और इट्स स्टफ विद चीज.
डिलीशियस. हाँ
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
राइट.
हाँ बहुत अच्छा सच में. ओके सो नेक्स्ट प्लेस इज संतोष बेकरी. इट्स अगेन इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक प्लेस जो मतलब जहाँ पे भी आप सर्च करोगे
Like when you
it will
just
come in top 10.
pass
So
through that
Santosh
bakery,
Bakery-
you get that smell of the puff. It's
you get the हाँ ये proper smell वो
Right.
जो puff की होती. So they are known for their veg puff. They are selling since like longer time. I don't even know. Like
Right.
70+ years हो गए होंगे. तो उसका कैसे है कि they start at
Okay,
6
हाँ.
AM सुबह और उस टाइम से ही बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होती है वहाँ पे. और वो पफ कैसे है कि द कोटिंग
Yeah.
इज सुपर थिन लाइक पेपर थिन और क्रिस्पी भी होती है और अंदर का जो
I can
स्टफिंग
just
होता है वो भी
eat
अलग है.
एक के बाद एक इतना
So-
वो लाइट रहता है.
हाँ यू सेटिस्फाई होते ही नहीं एक पे. यू हैव टू एटलीस्ट ईट 3 to 4 मिनिमम.
Right.
एटलीस्ट मैं तो वहाँ पे कर. सो द लास्ट प्लेस विल
Okay.
बी अगेन दुर्गा कैफे द वन एंड ओनली कोथरूड वाली जिसकी वहाँ पे लिखा है की आमची शाखा कुठेही नाही. for that. So I think they are known
Okay.
for cold coffee in Pune. So वहाँ की cold coffee कैसे है कि it's not like the regular cold coffees which is thicker. Their version is much thinner. और वो बहुत ये हो गया था, फेमस हो गया था. And I think I used to have that for
हाँ,
like
I
8
got
rupees
it.
only. तो अभी they have increased
Yeah.
prices to 30 rupees. So you can see कि 2006 से मैं वो ट्राई करते आया हूँ. And
Right.
you must visit this
And
place.
I have tried it. Like
So,
it's
I
like
think that's-
when you are making it at home, the cold coffee. तो उसमें कुछ preservatives नहीं है और
वैसे नहीं बनती.
like ऐसा it's very light and it's very simple you can say. But जो simple food का मजा है ना, that it's like really good.
और उनकी
हाँ.
वो अलग सी पाउडर है,
Right.
वो
Yeah.
डालते हैं और वो फोम के ऊपर, तो वो बोलते हैं ना वहाँ पे
Yeah,
कि एक्स्ट्रा
yeah.
पाउडर एक्स्ट्रा फोम देके दो, वो अलग है,
And
मतलब
like
कहाँ पे
when
भी
I
नहीं
went
मिलता.
there to have the cold coffee, I could see people from all ages, right from college-going kids to uncles to like grandpas and everybody. So it was like सारे generation के लोग वो कब से try करते आ रहे हैं cold coffee, and they are like इतने ज़्यादा
वो तो
लोग
है.
उसके fan हैं. And स्वप्निल ने बहुत important point बोला है that there are many Durga cafes in Pune, but they are all duplicate. And the one on
Duplicate.
Powder
That's the
Road is
only
the
one.
original.
And my personal favorite was the cold chocolate.
Okay.
पहले they don't serve,
Okay,
मतलब अभी
okay.
नहीं देते वो,
हाँ हाँ
they have stopped serving that. वो
Right.
उसको अलग ही चीज़ थी, मतलब I can't even मतलब explain कि वो कैसे लगता है, तो
Yeah.
वो बहुत कुछ अलग चीज़ थी. So I think we are done with my
it was like
top
they
5
were
iconic
fantastic
places. We
places,
can
I guess.
go to
And they covered almost like जो लोगों को पता है बाहर से जो पुणे के हैं कि ये वगैरह places हैं. So I think we have covered those places and added light to some lesser known places. But जो पुणे के बाहर के लोगों को पता नहीं होंगे, but you should try them because they are really iconic.
हाँ, उनके लिए तो बहुत
Now,
अच्छा है.
my favorite section of this whole video, मतलब मैंने street food के लिए भी यही बोला था, but desserts is like I can't go like even a week without desserts कि यहाँ वाले places में कहीं ना कहीं तो मुझे try करना ही है. So in this place, in this list, what we have done, I have covered the slightly fancier version of the desserts and Swapnil has covered the more street food या फिर जो हाँ right हाँ, so we have like done that distribution. So the first place which you should go is Forente. And Forente के वैसे तो they have amazing cakes, amazing hot chocolate, but the one thing which I recommend there is the cupcake cone. So this is something why I'm recommending because it's very different. एक आइसक्रीम कोन के ऊपर कपकेक रहता है and इतना ब्यूटीफुल होता है वो, you don't feel like आइसक्रीम के कोन के ऊपर कपकेक रहता है. And right, and एवढं ब्युटिफुल असतं ना ते की तुला खावंसं पण नाही वाटत आहे, like you will destroy it. Yeah, it's called unicorn cupcake cone and it has different flavors. So if you take the blueberry one, it's called unicorn. If you take the other ones, then उनके नाम अलग रहेंगे according to the flavor. So Forente is again in Koregaon Park, and you should it's very beautiful, very quiet place. You should definitely try it. The second place is Indulgence, which is in Koregaon Park, and their cheesecakes are very different. So you should definitely try it, and they have happy hours where you get one-on-one for cheesecakes. So definitely try that and hold as much cheesecake as you want from there. It's really good. Then the third place, which I guess I have made a video on this for hot chocolate, and सब 5 places try करने के बाद I decided that this place deserves the name for hot chocolate, which is called Where Else Cafe, which is in Viman Nagar. And यहाँ का hot chocolate, why is it famous? Because you can customize your hot chocolate. So it's like if you want ज़्यादा milky hot chocolate, you can tell them. If you want more chocolatey, that is more thick hot chocolate, you can tell them. And the best thing is that you can tell them if you want a shot glass, a cup, or a mug. So it's all customized. You can tell them what exactly hot chocolate you like. So, and it's, I guess, just for 110 or 20 rupees, and it's, I'm telling you, total paisa vasool hai place. So in winters and monsoons you should definitely go to this place, and it's pet friendly. So it's like, and here you can customize it. So maybe if you like milky hot chocolate and I like thick, सारे places पे कैसे होता है कि एक ही टाइप का मिलता है, बट इधर तुम उनको बोल सकते हो that you want it milky or chocolate. So that is something you should try. Then the fourth place, and it's recently added to my favorite list, is Urban Foundry. And like they keep experimenting with their desserts. Yeah, definitely. I'm like, the dessert which I had here was like totally will get you drunk on it, because the name of this dessert is cookie dough with Baileys. So the cookie dough is warm. They have a scoop of vanilla ice cream on it, and you pour almost like a very good quantities of Baileys over it. So they give you a shot. So I guess they keep experimenting with it, and it is really good. Like उनका पहले कोई तो था chocolate overload or something. That was, I guess they have discontinued it, but that was also really good. And the cookie dough which I had like recently, totally good. They have some kulfi. Yeah. And the best part about these desserts is that they are very like, उनको थोड़ा twist दे के बनाया है. It's not like your conventional desserts. तो अगर कुल्फी भी रहेगी तो उसका flavor कुछ अलग, they try to make it. So now Urban Foundry is in Baner, so you can on BHS to be specific, you can try this dessert definitely. And मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको, आप अगर सिर्फ डेजर्ट के लिए भी ये प्लेस पे गए, it will be totally worth it. Now the fifth place which I have like maxed out my Zomato one-on-one here is Carbo, which is again in Koregaon Park, and the dessert which you get here is chocolate dome. And it is so mesmerizing to look at the whole process. They give you liquid chocolate and there's a chocolate dome, you pour it over and you have it, and it is like next level satisfying. And it is not your normal milky chocolate, it has a dense flavor to it, and it's really good. You should try it.
वहाँ
So
पे
these
ऐसी
are
है
my 5 places. Yeah.
एक बार जाओगे तो मतलब you will be not satisfied. You have to go
Seriously?
again. So
Yeah.
okay, let's start with my
Yeah.
desert places. So again,
Right.
मैं कोथरूड का हूँ तो कोथरूड की चीज़ तो आनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज लोग मुझे मारेंगे. तो ये so I'll start with Ganache. It's one of the famous places in all the college
There are no
going
words
students.
for this place.
हाँ, कॉलेज गोइंग
Like-
स्टूडेंट. स्टार्ट में कैसी थी वो, मतलब द ओनर वॉज इरेग्युलर, कभी कभी बंद होती थी, कभी भी चालू रहती थी, लेकिन अभी उन्होंने इतना नाम कर लिया कि वो प्रॉपर
Right.
रेस्टोरेंट और वन ऑफ द मोस्ट विजिटिंग प्लेसेस इन कोथरूड ऐसे हो गए. तो गनाश का आई विल सजेस्ट टू हैव द ब्लूबेरी चीज केक. वो कैसे कि
It's heaven.
इट्स फॉर लाइक जस्ट 100 रुपीज, और आई डोंट थिंक सो यू विल एनीवेयर गेट चीज केक फॉर $100.
Right.
और एज पर अ प्राइस पॉइंट वो बहुत अच्छा है, ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल नेवर रिग्रेट. सो वो है. और द सेकंड प्लेस विल बी रॉबर्टो. इट्स लाइक वो अभी खुली है लाइक लास्ट ईयर, बट द इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इज जो ओनर है इट्स फ्रॉम इटली, तो ऑथेंटिक बहुत ज़्यादा है वो. और वहाँ पे जो तिरामिसू मिलता है तो वो एक है, और अल्कोहल तिरामिसू भी है वहाँ पे, आई थिंक सो रम्बेस है, तो वो यू कैन ट्राई, बिकॉज तिरामिसू बहुत जगह पे मतलब अच्छा मिलता है, कम जगह पे. इट्स वन ऑफ दैट प्लेस. तो द नेक्स्ट प्लेस विल बी श्री कृष्ण खरवस. तो खरवस इज लाइक कैरमेल पुडिंग आप कह सकते हैं, लेकिन प्रॉपर वो मतलब पुनेरी स्टाइल होता है खरवस. तो इट्स लाइक अ स्मॉल कार्ट ओनली ऑन द जेड ब्रिज. शाम में ही खुलती है, आई थिंक सो 6 साढ़े 6 बजे खुलती है, एंड इट्स गेट्स ओवर लाइक 10 max 10:30.
Okay.
So it's one of
Okay.
the places you should try. जो
And I
proper
guess everyone's parents will relate to this place more because Kharvas is
Kharvas
something.
is, something.
जब there were no like fancy deserts, Kharvas was like the go-to
go-to
desert.
place. Or the
Yeah.
again next place will be Shiv Kailash Kulfi.
Yeah.
Kulfi, the place is again near Pune station. So most of the crowd which comes to Pune can easily try it. वहाँ पे कैसे कि
Right,
बहुत
right.
ज़्यादा भीड़ रहती है. इट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू सिट एंड इट, क्योंकि कैसे कि अगेन पुणे स्टेशन के यहाँ पे है और इतना अच्छा भी एम्बियंस नहीं है. लेकिन डेफिनेटली आई सजेस्ट टू हैव द कुल्फी बिकॉज इट्स वन ऑफ अ काइंड कुल्फी. यू गेट दैट.
Yeah, it's very heavy and उसमें सारे dry fruits भी होते हैं. It's really
Again,
good.
the last place will be the Khatri Bandhu's Sitafal, I'll say Mastani, or you can
Okay.
have Sitafal ice cream. It's like a pot ice cream. You will, I'll say. वो Khatri Bandhu, they have started this place from a small cart in Kothur only, like from last 8 year or plus they are serving this. और वहाँ पे पहले
Okay.
बहुत भीड़ रहती थी और we used to get a whole बड़ा glass in like just 40 rupees. अभी बढ़ गए prices,
My God.
like
हाँ.
it's for 130,
But I
150.
guess pot ice cream, I don't think many people have tried.
Pot ice cream
Pot
भी
ice
मिलती है
cream
वहाँ
is
पे,
like homemade.
but they
हाँ.
are basically known for the मस्तानी सीताफल वन. उसमें
Okay.
कैसे कि
अच्छा.
सीताफल का मिल्कशेक भी होता है और सीताफल के जो
हाँ.
चंक्स होते हैं नॉर्मल
Right.
वो भी होते हैं.
हाँ.
तो वो
अच्छा,
यूजुअली नहीं
okay.
मिलता हमको यहाँ पे. So I think that for me, for the desert places.
Okay. So these are the desert places for all people who have sweet tooth. You should definitely like ये list बना लो and after quarantine you should definitely use it as a checklist for your desert cravings. Now the next category and my favorite category nowadays is healthy. And like I and Swapnil have switched our eating lifestyle to a little healthy side now because of all the junk we are accumulating in our body since almost like 5 to 6 years because of blogging. But now we are exploring places where you get healthy food, but it is good on your taste buds also. So it's not like कि पता नहीं क्या खा रहे, it's not good. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's like when you're trying these places, you won't feel like you're eating something healthy because it's that tasty. So the first place is Sorted Delhi, which is in Kalyani Nagar. And the dish I would recommend there is spaghetti with meatballs, and it is super healthy and the taste factor is really good. That marinara sauce is amazing. The second place is Pash, which is again in Kalyani Nagar. And this place is very beautiful, perfect for a date because it has a glass roof and you can see the whole camouflage of tree there, all the canopies and everything. And the dish I would recommend here is peanut hummus because it has a twist of masala with the hummus. So even if people don't like hummus, they'll really love this dish there. Then the third place, yeah, and they gave it with multigrain crisps. So it's not the pure maida ka pita bread with the hummus. It is like they have different seeds and it's very different. So that adds to the taste of the hummus. Then we have the third place, which is Sonte Spa, and this place is also in Koregaon Park. It's very beautiful, very quiet, and like तुम्हें लगेगा ही नहीं कि यहाँ पे कोई cafe है. It is that peaceful, and there are many things which you can try here. But my favorite one is the chocolate milkshake here. So they use almond milk, and the chocolate is also very dark, so it doesn't have that extra sugar. But when you drink it, it is very sinful. It's like you are you can have it and feel like you're it's a cheat day, but it's not. It's that healthy. The pizzas are also good there, but I thought that the pizzas are too healthy. It is a lot of veggies रहते हैं उसके ऊपर and a lot, हाँ, and it's like too like बहुत सारे अलग अलग leaves रहते हैं उसके ऊपर like on the pizza, and I think it's too much for people who don't have the habit of eating healthy. Then the fourth place and my favorite place is Kadush, and Kadush is a very small place. Mostly वहाँ takeaways होता है, but the thukpa there is so amazing. It has a strong flavor of garlic, and in winters and in monsoons, this is a place you should definitely go. It is in Kharadi, and if you are staying nearby Kharadi, I would suggest you all to order in, because mostly उनका order in ही ज़्यादा रहता है. And yeah, the fifth place is also a takeaway place, which is Salad Grills. And why I've added this to this list, because mostly people think that salads are very expensive, but Salad Grills has like removed that thing from their whole agenda, because you get breadsticks with their packages, plus the salad is not that expensive, and it is different flavors, so you get vegetable salads as well as fruit salads and mix of both, so you don't feel like you are eating a salad and it's very bland. And it's their sauces are really amazing, so it's not like सारे regular sauces है कि mayo, chili खत्म, उनके sauces ही काफ़ी अलग है. So when you're eating the salad, the dressing is so tasty that you finish the whole salad in one sitting. And they also have meal plans, I guess. So the people who are doing gymming or they want like a month long subscription.
And I think अभी जैसे कि 2020 में पता चल रहा है कि जिसको पहले से ही कुछ मतलब है प्रॉब्लम इश्यूज है disease, तो उनको ज़्यादा कोरोना इफेक्ट कर रहा है, तो दैट विल बी
the immunity is
solution
going
कि
down.
follow
because
healthy diet, healthy lifestyle to live longer.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done with healthy
Right.
lifestyle.
Yeah.
So I'll get to my last section, so which will be the late night
Yeah.
eatery.
Yeah.
So since I am a gamer, I had this query in my mind कि रात को खाना मिलता नहीं था हमारे टाइम में. So we used to search घर पे ही डिब्बे में कुछ मिलता होगा. तो बाद में लेकिन कैसे हो कि अभी ऑल द फूड सीन्स आर इवॉल्विंग, मतलब कैसे कि रात में ही खुले रहता है. सो आई थॉट कि दैट विल बी द बेस्ट थिंग टू इंक्लूड इन दिस सेक्शन. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद द बर्गर. इफ यू आर गेटिंग अ सुपर बर्गर एट नाइट, दैट विल बी द बेस्ट थिंग, बिकॉज कैसे कि बर्गर में काम होता है. तो देर इज वन बर्गर 11 place which is delivery only. It's in KP. We serve outstanding burgers. मतलब not like normal burger. They do their in-house patty. सब in-house है उनका.
Okay.
सिर्फ बन मतलब अलग जाता है, लेकिन patty in-house है. So I'll suggest for their BLT.
Okay.
Which is bacon, lettuce, tomato, which is my personal favorite. उनका बाकी भी है. They also serve beef burgers also.
Okay.
That's also one of their specialty. So yeah, definitely try. They serve like from 11 AM to like रात को 5 बजे तक वो सर्व होता है.
That's
तो
amazing.
ये पूरा
यार.
कवर करते हैं, पूरा कवर कर लेते हैं. तो okay. तो second will be Amruteshwar Bhuvan. It's again comes in Kothurud area, no stop. I think it's one of the few places that started late night from like 10 to 15 years back. तो वो एक नॉर्मल प्लेस है. अमृतुल्यम इज लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट प्लेस, जहाँ पे चाय मिलती है, पोहा मिलता है, समोसा मिलता है, इडली मिलती है. तो इट्स लाइक अ गो टू प्लेस फॉर ऑल द पीपल हु कम फ्रॉम केपी, बिकॉज कैसे कि पहले कैसे था कि केपी इज द यूज टू बी द ओनली प्लेस वेयर वी हैव ऑल द लाउंज, डांस बार वैसे. तो बाणे से ऑल द पीपल यूज टू ट्रैवल देयर, तो बीच में कुछ आते वक्त खाने के लिए नहीं था. तो अमृतेश्वर वॉज द ओनली प्लेस खाने के लिए, जो 3 बजे खुलती है.
This place has really improved its food quality over time. Because when the first time we were having a night out and my friend suggested that we should go there, I tried it, but honestly I didn't like it. But recently when I tried it, it has improved like many folds. even right from
मोस्टली
the
कैसे रहता है
samosas.
कि लोगों को ना रात को ना खाने की क्वालिटी नहीं मिली तो भी चलता है,
हाँ,
बट कैसे कि अभी
yeah.
लोग इतना इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं तो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग
Yeah,
कि
it's
खाना
really
भी अच्छा दे रहे
amazing.
हैं
And it's
एंड
like
प्राइसिंग भी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है.
if you are like making a list about कि पुणे के एक एक एक्सपीरियंस है तो नॉन स्टॉप पे खाना इट्स like definitely
हाँ, वो तो आता है.
one of the things.
क्योंकि जो भी स्टूडेंट्स है who are here for study purpose, तो उनके लिए तो अमृतेश्वर इज वन ऑफ अ नॉस्टैल्जिक एक्सपीरियंस.
Yeah, seriously.
वहाँ पे जाते हैं क्योंकि कहती रात को स्टडी करते हैं लेट नाइट, तो उस टाइम कुछ खाने के लिए होता नहीं, तो दैट विल बी द बेस्ट चीपेस्ट ऑप्शन दे है.
Yeah.
सो द माय नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन विल बी द जेड ब्रिज खाऊ गली.
हाँ.
जेड ब्रिज खाऊ गली कैसे था पहले, इट वाजंट हाइजेनिक प्लेस एट स्टार्ट, बट अभी आफ्टर सम टाइम दे हैव चेंज एवरीथिंग. मतलब कैसे कि वहाँ पे अच्छा खाना भी मिलता है और लेट नाइट आई थिंक 2:30 3 बजे तक मिल जाता है. तो वहाँ पे कैसे इट्स लाइक खाऊ गली. वहाँ पे सब मिलता है, चाइनीज मिलेगा, पाव भाजी मिलेगा, नॉर्मल थाली भी मिल जाती है. तो इट्स लाइक वन प्लेस फॉर ऑल योर लेट नाइट क्रेविंग्स.
Right.
So the second last place will be Shabir's Burji, which is in Shivaji Nagar. Shivaji Nagar as in वो बस स्टॉप वाला शिवाजी नगर.
Okay.
वो भी मैंने रिसेंटली डिस्कवर किया, मुझे भी पता नहीं था. वो बहुत अंदर है, मतलब इट्स लाइक वहाँ पे एक गली है, पूरा मुस्लिम चौल टाइप, वो वहाँ पे अंदर रहता है. सो इट्स नॉट अ प्लेस फॉर पीपल लाइक, मतलब फीमेल के लिए अच्छा नहीं, अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है, लेकिन वहाँ पे देर रात तक भुर्जी मिलता है एंड इट्स रियली गुड.
अच्छा.
मतलब रात तक खुला रहता है, अच्छा भुर्जी भी मिलता है और प्राइस भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं.
Okay.
तो वो एक लास्ट में मैं बोलूँगा कि आनंद मैगी बोल के है.
Okay.
वो मैंने फ्रेंड ने ही बताया था, वो विच इज़ इन यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी रोड पे.
हाँ.
वो भी ही स्टार्टेड विथ कार्ट, स्मॉल कार्ट.
Okay.
तो ही यूज टू सेल लाइक ओनली 2 आइटम्स, मैगी और फिल्टर कॉफ़ी देता था,
Okay.
जो हाथ से बनाते हैं ना वो टाइप,
हाँ.
वो टाइप वाली. तो वहाँ से लेके अब तक अभी उसको कितने 5-6 साल हो गए. तो उसने प्रॉपर बड़ा एक छोटा सा दुकान ले लिया वहाँ पे, और रात को अराउंड 11 बजे के बाद वो चालू हो जाता है.
एंड आई गेस रात को मैगी
अच्छा
खाने का डिफरेंट ही एक्सपीरियंस रहता है.
हाँ, वो उसकी चीज़ मैगी बहुत अलग है. लाइक यू टोल्ड इन प्रीवियस सेक्शन की जो चीज़ मैगी, चिकन मैगी होती है,
हाँ.
ऐसे ये स्ट्रीट साइड जो खाते हैं ना, उसका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अलग होता है. और रात को मिलना इज़ लाइक मतलब बहुत अच्छा अपने लिए.
So guys, these are the top 50 places which we recommend. Still, I and Swapnil feel like there are many places which we have left out. But we knew that the video is going to be so long.
हाँ, we can make another video.
Yeah.
There is
And-
always a chance we can make another video.
And we have like, personally, I feel like short videos are the best. But I wanted to make a video where there is like a prolonged, detailed discussion about the 50 top places of Pune. And I think quarantine period is the best because people can actually watch these videos. And please tell us in the comments below if you could relate to any of the memories which we discussed related to food.
And if you have any suggestions
Yeah.
that we have to include more places which we have left out, that will be also better.
Definitely. And I think we are going to do a series of this during quarantine because I guess there are many topics where people want to discuss about food. So we'll definitely
और बाहर
take your
नहीं जा
feedback.
सकते.
हाँ, that's all.
बाहर तो जा नहीं सकते.
It's just that we can plan right now कि क्या क्या खाना है. And tell us in the comments below what are your favorite places from the list which we have given. We would love to know from you. And Swapnil, it was great connecting with you and making content even if we can't meet. I think it
Thank you for having me. I
definitely.
think it was beneficial for me also because coming out of nowhere and starting a video with you,
Yeah.
it's like something. It will add.
And I guess this will encourage people to like tell that you can do things while at your home. It's not
At home.
necessary that you have to step out of your homes to be
I think we
relevant.
have to shoot the behind the scenes video for this one.
Yeah, definitely.
So people will actually know
definitely.
how we are doing all things.
Yeah. So that is the whole point of it, and we would love to know if you want more such videos. And thank you so much, Swapnil, for all your inputs. and we have this list now. So we'll definitely cover the places which you haven't tried or I haven't tried, and we'll definitely do that after the quarantine. And I would like to say that please subscribe to the channel, like this video,
Yeah,
share
please
it with your
subscribe,
friends. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel and do check out Swapnil's page, whose description I'm gonna give in the link. Check out his Instagram page and all other platforms he writes on. And until next time, stay tuned to Girl with Girls.